Hi, Paul here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the crop tool in Movavi video editor. I'm going to show you how to manipulate the crop tool and also two ways to access the crop tool. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin. Now I have a video in my timeline here that I've just inserted. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it into some parts. Maybe this video here, I'm going to cut this part, maybe this part here that I'm going to crop, and also maybe I'm going to cut maybe where they're hugging here. I'm also going to cut it off. So I'll just use those to move. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to access the crop tool. Now you can always come here under options and you just come to the crop tool here. Also you can access the crop tool here. There are two ways to access the crop tool here, and also you can come here and click here. Now after you've accessed the crop tool, it will give you this dialog box here where you'll use to crop a part. For example, I want to crop this some part here. Maybe I want to crop let me cut here again. I want to crop this part where the ring is. So I'll just come here under the preview and just uh, position this one here like so. I'll try to position this one like so, like that. So if I play, after I position like that, I forgot to tell you something. You click apply, then it will apply. Then down the rounded part will be cut. So I did a mistake. When you're cropping, make sure you select only the clip you are using. Let me just undo, or you can just come here and remove. You can also just click this thing like a star and remove the crop tool. I'll come back again here, maybe just cut this section here again. Then I make sure I only select this one here, come to the crop tool here. Then I want to focus where she's giving her the ring. Then I'll just apply. Now if I play, you can see it has come to where she's giving is giving the ring. Maybe how do I remove? Let me remove it again. Maybe I want to only cut this place here. Again, I'll come. Now this time I want to access the crop tool through here. Then let me focus here, like so. Then apply. Then what will I do? Then you see that part is cropped. Then I'll play again. Then also I want to crop this part he's hugging him, so I'll just come here and maybe crop this part here. Then I'll apply. I did a mistake. I'll have to undo. I cropped this part. Let me select. First of all, make sure you select. I've done that mistake many times. Make sure you select the clip you want to crop. I only want to crop this part here. Then I'll just apply. So if I play like so, you can see that's how to crop. Now you can also straighten an image. For example, I want this image to maybe it's not straight. Also you can rotate. You can use this slider you see here. Then if I play, you can see that you can use this to straighten or to tilt an image. That's how to use the crop tool in Movavi video editor. Subscribe to my channel. You can also share it with your friends. Have a nice day.